Wait, who's tour bus?
That's our tour bus, TikTok tour bus.
Yo! Yo, Charlie, you in there, bro?
Charlie D'Amelio.
Charlie, you in there?
Charlie,
Charlie, where are you?
Charlie, what are your thoughts on TikTok?
Can be your sugar when you're feeling for that sweet spot. Put me in your mouth, baby, and eat it till your teeth rot.
Oh my god, it's actually Logan Paul.
Hey, yo!
Yeah, say hi to mine,
Vlog. just say go add me.
Yeah, go add me.
Yes.
Can you tell me to subscribe?
Yeah, subscribe.
You better subscribe,
Yeah,
guys.
And me too,
Logan
right?
Paul said it.
Me too, right? No. Whoa! You got that?
Yeah.
Starbucks.
Creamy
Or
mocha.
like moon dollars.
Oh! Anyway. Whoa.
Yo, add me on TikTok.
Honk the horn if you're happy.
Honk if you're happy. Bro.
Whoa. Heavy police presence. Whoa, actually there's like fire over there.
No, really?
John Mace Charlie's from James Charles. Whoa. I destroyed his makeup power. It's a pretty funny video, so you might want to check it out.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Horn if you're happy. Honk the horn if you're happy.
Yo, Honk.
Honk.
Honk if you're happy.
Honk, are you happy today? Honk. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, we got another one. Oh my god, yes.
Honk if you're happy.
Honk, are you happy today? I mean, you're in the vlog, so I guess you're happy. Honk. Yeah, he's gonna do it. Yeah, anybody can do it, really. We're the Fancy's Buffet in Baltimore, and this is what this kid is doing right now. Making jelly towers. Like what? Wait, what? I think honestly we gotta do it for the vlog, so.
I'm David Henry from Wizards of Waverly Place, and you're watching Disney Channel.
What's 100, guys? I think Phillip and the 100% Phillip Show are going to some magical places in 2020. Can't wait to see where he flies off to next on their brooms.
Alright guys, so we got a massive bear here, and we're gonna do some WWE moves on this here bear. It's now Nick's turn to attack the bear. Oh, for the cover. 1, 2.
Can't you see? I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's the deal, my dear. They're all what you're under. You never have to wonder. We can always play by ear. But that's the deal, my dear.
On the target. Target has been acquired. Well, hi.